Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you the step-by-step process on how you can buy Bitcoin on Tonkeeper. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up the Tonkeeper app on your phone. If you don't have Tonkeeper, don't you worry, you can install it from the Play Store and create a wallet for yourself quite easily. What you need to do to buy Bitcoin, Notcoin or Toncoin is click on buy and sell. So after you click on it, you can see some of the Tone coins like Mercurio, NeoCrypto, MoonPay, Transact, Chanzeli, OnRamp, and if you scroll a bit down, you can see the show all option. Just go ahead and tap on it and it will show the available Tone or Note coins which are on your reason. So you can go ahead and click on any one of these, write down your banking details, sign into your account, and you can buy these Bitcoins. If you scroll a bit down, you can also find the USDT, which is the USD Tone coins, and the Not coins as well. So these all are the Bitcoins which you want to invest on for your future. I hope this video about how you can buy Bitcoins on Tonkeeper was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.